Hi, this is part 3 of The Caged Bird, the poem Caged Bird. The repetition of the entire third stanza as the poem's sixth stanza demonstrates the resilience of the black community. In the third stanza, the speaker tells us, as the readers, that the caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on a distant hill, which demonstrates that despite the hopelessness of the situation, the bird continues to sing heartily, loudly enough so that he is heard far away, inspiring others. Why does he sing loudly? To inspire others, also to voice their thoughts. The repetition of the stanzas, the sixth and the final stanza of the poem, conveys that the caged bird does not simply give up, but rather will continue to sing and inspire others to voice their thoughts about freedom. So the African American community endured intolerable circumstances, and therefore they will continue to work for freedom, towards freedom. The allusion here also begins to demonstrate that this poem is an extended metaphor for the oppression faced by the Afro-American community. The experiences of, very important, the experiences of the free bird are juxtaposed, opposite, against those of the caged bird, implying that the free bird is a symbol of the privileges afforded to a dominant social group. In the second stanza, the poet says that the caged bird introduces itself by singing. Unlike the free bird presented in the first stanza, this bird stalks down his narrow cage. He's walking in his narrow cage, with clipped wings and tied feet. So again, juxtaposition, the free bird is able to fly and leap as it pleases, and so it can feel free to claim the sky as its own, while this caged bird is unable to fly or even see properly through the bars of rage. So this cage describes the physical environment in which this caged bird is, and emotional, how emotional the bird is. This caged bird also, the cage in which the bird is kept, also demonstrates the severity of the suffering the bird goes through. Therefore, the bars of the cage turns into bars of rage. The cage itself is symbolic of the injustices. Thank you.